Ordo is a service that we are developing with a fintech partner of ours. It's basically a service for billers to allow them to generate bills, send them to their customer, have their customer make the payment, all tied together in one seamless process. It helps to reduce the amount of money that you're spending on reconciliation processes, takes away the pain of having to post out bills. It allows your customer more flexibility in terms of how they pay their bill, gives them flexibility on the day they pay it instead of a direct debit where they might have to pay it immediately. It also potentially reduces the amount of push payment fraud that your company might experience, which is appearing in the press a lot at the moment. And it ties that whole process together seamlessly so that your company has a much more efficient process for sending out bills to their customers and receiving them from their clients. So how does it do that? Basically, Ordo is a service that the biller would buy a set of requests for requests for payment. They would send them to the Ordo service. The Ordo service then processes those payments, sends them on to the customer via either a mobile app or a web interface or an email, whatever service the customer has signed up to take. And that then allows that customer to see the bill. They can see all the details of the bill. They know that it's come from the correct company. They know that the account details are going to be correct. They know they can see the reference information, etc. And from the biller point of view, the advantage is as soon as that customer opens that payment, they can see that the customer has opened the payment. So unlike a paper bill where you send it, it's like a set and forget. You send it out and you never know whether the customer's seen it until they send the payment back to you. With this service, as soon as they open it, you know that the customer's received it. The customer then has some choices. They can choose to either pay the whole bill, but depending on the type of bill that you're sending, you might also want to offer them some flexibility about when they pay the bill, or whether they pay it all in full. So particularly important for for vulnerable customers who might need more of a flexible time to pay. So that allows them to send the money back into your company. You can see that interaction with your customer. It allows you to have a much more interactive billing process with the customer, so that you can see when they open the bill, you can see how they paid you, and you can enter into a bit more of a dialogue with the customer. A lot of people, when we talk about this, ask, is it a secure service? So absolutely, it's secure. It's built on top of open banking, which is a service that the banks in the UK are offering at the moment, that allows third parties, i.e. the biller, to generate payments out of your account on your behalf with your permission. The service doesn't require you to share any account details with your biller. So you don't have to tell them your bank account number. They don't have to tell you their bank account number. It all works seamlessly under the covers. So as soon as the biller is registered with Ordo, their account details are understood. As soon as you register as the payer with Ordo and you tell us what bank you're using, and then all the payment processing happens inside the bank. So that's totally secure. So when will it be ready? Well, we're in developments at the moment. The service is looking to be launched probably around the end of this year to coincide with the launch of the new open banking standards that are due out in September.